Welcome back, folks. It's Jab Anima back again. Maybe you've seen this file, and why won't it open? This is such a common problem. I see this online at least once a week, so I had to make a video on it. And there's two answers, so let's get to Blender right now. There's two ways you're going to encounter this file. One is that you're downloading an extension or an add-on. So let's just, for example, go ahead and download Mixamo's add-on, which is going to help you rig characters. If you don't know what I'm talking about, leave me a comment. Maybe I'll make a video on that in the future. Once we download it, we got it in this format called zip. You could also see a RAR, or you could see a 7Z file. If you're installing an add-on, you don't have to do anything. You are just going to go to Blender, go to preferences, install from disk, and import it right into Blender. Finished. Second case is that you're downloading what's called a PBR texture, which is a physically based rendering. Let's go to ambient CG, and I'm going to download this brick texture, and it's going to come out as a zip file. We have to unpack this to use this in Blender, so we need a compression tool, which we can get from bandysoft.com. We're going to download the BandyZip software, and this is going to help us decompress this file. Once we have it on our computer, we're going to use Bandysoft to extract it, and now we can drag and drop any of these files onto the shader tab of Blender. And that's it for today, guys. Check out any of my videos or catch me on YouTube, Twitter, or Instagram. See you there.